You ever seen a basketball blow up? Like, how did they be doing that? You think this is good enough to blow up?
I don't know.
Like, listen to that.
Away from me. Down.
Alright, let's see this.
Bro, listen to the way it sounds.
Come on, man. Adrian! Adrian! Yo, this isn't TikTok.